Next, let us move on to types of magnetic disks. All magnetic disks are in the form of round platters. These disks are available in different sizes, shapes, and designs. Some are attached to the read or write head assembly, and some are available in the form of removable disks. Magnetic disks can be classified into two types. First, floppy disk. Second, hard disk. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a round, flat piece of mylar plastic coated with ferric oxide and enclosed in a protective plastic cover called disk jacket. It is a removable disk and is read and written by a floppy disk drive, that is FDD. FDD is a device that performs a basic operation on a disk, including rotating the disk and reading and writing data onto it. Floppy disks were used on personal computers to distribute software, transfer data between computers, and create small backups. Earlier, 5.25-inch floppy disks were used. Later, 3.5-inch floppy disk came into existence, which has larger storage capacity and supports faster data transfer than the 5.25-inch floppy disk. Floppy diskettes are small, inexpensive, readily available, portable, and easy to store. Read or write operation of a floppy disk. To read and write data onto a floppy disk, FTD is used. The drive is made up of a box with a slot into which a user inserts a disk. When the user inserts a disk into the FDD, the drive grabs the disk and spins it inside its plastic jacket. The drive's circuit board receives instructions for reading or writing the data from or to disk through the floppy drive controller. If the data are to be written into the disk, the circuit board first verifies that no light is visible through a small window of floppy disk. If the photo sensor on the opposite side of the floppy disk detects a beam of light, the floppy drive detects a disk to be write protected and does not allow recording of data. Write protection means information can read but nothing can be added or modified. The circuit board translates the instructions into signal that controls the movement of the disk and the read or write heads. A motor located beneath the disk spins a shaft that engages a notch on the hub of the disk, causing the disk to spin. When the heads are in a correct position, electrical impulses create a magnetic field in one of the heads to write data to either the top or bottom surface of the disk. On reading the data, electrical signals are sent to the computer from the corresponding magnetic field generated by the metallic particle on the disk. Second type of magnetic disk is hard disk. The hard disk, also called the hard drive or fixed disk. It is a primary storage unit of the computer. It consists of a number of disk platters that are made up of aluminum alloy or glass substrate coated with a magnetic material and protective layers. A disk can be a removable device and this can hold a large amount of data. The amount of information stored in a disk is measured in bytes. Today's computer comes with 80 to 320 GB of hard disk. Read or write operation of a hard disk. Hard disk drives have one or more platters. Platters is a circular magnetic plate that is used for storing information in the form of magnetic patterns. And these platters are made up of aluminum alloy or glass substrate. Each platter has two working surfaces. These surfaces of platters hold the recorded data. Hard disk drive consists of a spindle which is a motor that holds the platters. Each working surface of the platter is divided into a number of concentric rings which are called tracks. The collection of all tracks that are the same distance from the edge of the platter is called a cylinder. The data on the hard drive platter is read by read-write heads of the read-write arms. The read-write arms is also known as actuator. Each platter has two heads, one on the top of the platter and one on the bottom. A disk controller is attached to the hard disk drive that handles the read or write commands issued by the operating system. Each read or write command specifies a disk address that comprises the surface number, track number, and sector number. With this information, the read or write head moves to the desired sector that data can be read from or written to. The head in most hard disks float slightly above the surface of the disk. The distance between the head and disk surface is much less compared to the thickness of a human hair. When the heads accidentally touch the media, the surface becomes scratched. Any data stored where the head has touched and the disk is lost, this is called as head crash. Now let us discuss about various advantages of magnetic disks. Magnetic disks follow direct access mode for reading and writing the data files. Secondly, magnetic disks are used for both online and offline storage of data. Hard disk is used as an online storage, whereas floppy disks are used as offline storage. Third, magnetic disks are easily movable from one place to another because of their small size. Fourth, the data transfer rate of disks is much higher than magnetic tapes. Fifth, the storage capacity of magnetic disks is virtually unlimited as numbers of such disks can be added to store data. Sixth, in magnetic disks, there is less chance of corruption of data as they can withstand temperature and humidity change as compared to magnetic tapes. 7. Magnetic disks are less prone to corruption of data as they can withstand temperature and humidity change much better as compared to magnetic tapes. Next is disadvantages of magnetic disks. First one, magnetic disks must be stored in a dust-free environment in order to protect them from crashing. Second, a disk drive or a disk failure results in loss of entire stored data on it. Third, magnetic disks are more expensive than the magnetic tapes. Fourth, data insecurity. It is easier to maintain the security of magnetic tape files than that of magnetic disk files.